Andrew Holness makes personal donation to the family of 14-year-old murder victim, giving $200,000 to Yetanya Francis burial expenses.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Prime Minister Andrew Holness has given $200,000 of his own money to the family of 14-year-old Yetanya Francis, who was brutally murdered on Thursday, August 23, to assist with funeral expenses.
Why, God, why? I still ask you why? But as me tell you, my daughter revealed in front of me already, she gonna come back and she gonna tell me. My daughter gonna tell me the day when my daughter dead. I feel the pain when she feel. I feel the fire in front of burn me. For the Thursday night, my daughter burn. I feel the fire. I start sweat. I start sweat same time, and I say, oh, I sweat, so. I not hot, I sweat, I feel the heat when little girl I feel. And she appear in front of me same time. Yeah?
The announcement was made Tuesday by the Office of the Prime Minister, which stated in a news release that Holness met with Yetanya's relatives on Monday. According to the Office of the Prime Minister, Holness and his wife Juliet were deeply moved by the inhumane act against Yetanya and assured the family during a private meeting that the police will do all that is possible to ensure that there is justice for the child. During the visit, Holness made a personal donation of $200,000 to the family to assist with funeral expenses and also personally committed $100,000 to Crime Stop for information leading to the arrest and charge of those responsible for Yetanya's death. In the meantime, the Prime Minister called on the community and the wider country to ensure that there is no safe haven for criminals. He called on everyone to use the facilities in place to tell what they know. In that regard, he stressed that Crime Stop at 311 has been a safe and effective means for citizens to assist in the fight against crime. Meanwhile, Peter Phillips has been accused of politicizing Yetanya's murder. Leader of the opposition People's National Party, Dr. Peter Phillips, is under fire after he made assertions that police patrols in Trenchtown was limited because of the zones of special operations and state of public emergency in other areas of the island.
Friends, but I am so sorry that it is a tragedy like this that caused me to be here this morning. But I think what we see in the murder of Princess is a new level of brutality and hard-heartedness that none of us can accept. None of us. No. Because if we allow the community to continue like that, then we are no different from the beasts of the field. Send message. And so there are plenty of things that have to be done. Some simple things that are way too long. I know that the MP has been working on some, like we need better lighting, for example, is one thing that needs to happen. We need to ensure that we have more patrols. I know the police short staff because of the Zozo and state of emergency, which pull away some of the police. But from a community like this, but you can't solve part of the problem and make it get worse elsewhere in other places.
This statement has since drawn the wrath of several social media users who are accusing the opposition leader of politicizing the problem.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.